welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing a bit more of a life hack. I've just got this room here redone. So basically I've just put these lights I'm holding right now, but you can't see, all around it, solar panel. So now I'm doing a DIY solar panel stand, if that makes sense. So I've got this. Here, I'm just going to move my iPad because it's actually on one of the things and show you what I'm talking about. See? These lights actually go all around. There's my little turtle, got a new tank. He's there, lights up there, and behind, if I can find one, they might have fell a bit. Got lights really in 360 degrees. So just before we go under this way, the things you're going to need, well, to do this, a light with a light stand. This is solar panel, and a water bottle and some like dirt, or you understand me from dirt. So let's get started. I've got my water bottle. I'm going to fill this up with dirt. So I'll be back. Got to tell you, make sure you fill it up to the top of the water bottle. Then that, you need to be top, so this will go really nice. Now let's fill it up. Okay guys, I filled it up like this. If there is like water in your water bottle, don't worry, it's just gonna do not much. See how in the last bit of the video, how it's just like there. It's like right close to. I don't want to do it because a little bit just on my iPad. Now the next easy save. Well, if you want to, you can make like a little garden in there, which I'm not going to do. Maybe I might set that for the future. Gotta be kidding me. Okay. Now, if this happens to you, you can just cut here or somewhere like that where you can just go bang. Okay, I'm going to do that now. Took it off the thing. This is really if you want to make like a little garden, you put the seeds in here and that. So now mine came like this. So we've got this, then we've got this that actually connects to it. So I can actually take it off if I want to. So that's what I'm leaving that off until before I get this in. My ground was quite soft, so that actually sort of goes in a bit better. Really, that's it. If you want to take this one step further, which I actually might, is put a bit of grad wrap around here just to keep that hole there, just to keep it like so. Let's say it tips, no dirt gets out. So really, just have to put the rest on. So that's basically it. So I'm actually going to stop it here. I'll show you a photo at the end. But basically that's the video, so I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye!